A person has just sufficient money to buy either 30 guavas, 50 plums, and 70 pieces. We should take the total amount with the person in such a way that when it is divided by 30, 50, and 70, in all the cases we get an integer, and that amount will obviously be LCM of these three numbers, and LCM of 30, 50, and 70 is 1050. So suppose the amount with the person is 1050. From here we get the price of one guava as 35, one plum as 21, and that of one piece as 15. And it is given that he spends 20% of the money on traveling. So 20% of 1050 is 105 into 2, which is 210. So the amount that is left with him after traveling is 840, that we get after subtracting 210 from 1050. And by using this money he buys 14 pieces. 14 into 15, x guavas, 35, x plus y plums, 21 into y. After simplification we get 5 of x plus 3 of y equals 90. If x and y are greater than 0, what is the minimum value of the sum of x and y? Essentially we have to minimize the value of x plus y. After having a look at the equation, it becomes obvious that in order to minimize the value of given expression, that is x plus y, we have got to maximize the value of x so that we can minimize the value of y. And here we are doing this just by keeping the coefficient of x and y in mind. The more we take x, the lesser will y be, and also this number, that is 90, will decrease more faster when value of x is increased instead of that of y. So from here the maximum value that x can assume is, by a trial and error, is 15. In that case 15 into 5 plus 3 y equals 90. From here we get y equals 5. So value of x is 15 and that of y is 5. In order to minimize the value of x plus y, which will be 15 plus 5, 21, which is our option A.